Hello guys, and once again welcome back to my channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So there's a female Sangoma revealed why female Sangoma who walks with the spirit of Amakhetla or male spirit are struggling when it comes to having relationships or even keeping one. This lady called Induna Yesfazane reveals that Amakhetla do not want them in relationships at all, as in a relationship they enter becomes tainted and destroyed. So up next I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the video, but before I do that, do make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and of course you subscribe if you haven't yet done so, so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video.
So they know, females, how females are. The moment when you become in a relationship, you put all of yourself into that relationship, invest all of your energy in it and so forth, right? And we intend to always put ourselves in the back burner when it comes to relationships. We end up not making ourselves a priority. So if that happens to a female onomoya, imagine how her spirituality or her spiritual gift suffers in the midst of her investing all of herself into a relationship. So abafuna sijole man, akufuneki sijole, but it's funny how they kind of give you this mindset of being attracted to females. Hey.